In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping as a complete beginner without spending any money. And I know that may sound impossible, but I've made multi-six figures from organic dropshipping as a 20-year-old, and today I'll show you how to do the same thing by finding winning products, creating an amazing online store, then marketing those products for free with my secret method. So if you're finally ready for your phone to look like this instead of only getting text from your mom, watch this video to the end. The first step to dropshipping is finding a great product that people actually want to buy. And unfortunately, most influencers lie to y'all and say there's only one way to do this so they can keep the good product research methods to themselves. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna break that stereotype and expose the 3 best methods I've used to find winning products, starting with the secret method that no one on social media has ever talked about before, the Twitter method. How the X method works is you open up Twitter, then scroll around looking for ads until you find one that's promoting a winning product. And you may ask,
Logan, how do you determine if a product is a winning product?
well, that's simple. Just follow this criteria. 1, it solves a problem. 2, you can sell it for at least 3 times what you buy it for. 3, it has a wow factor that will make people stop scrolling when they see your ad. 4, it is easy to ship, aka it's not fragile, doesn't weigh a lot, and has faster shipping times than 1 to 2 months. That criteria ensures the customers are willing to buy your product. You'll be able to heavily profit when they do purchase because of the high margins, and they won't want a refund because your shipping is good. Then after you find a winning product, you need to check if there's a supplier out there who will let you drop ship it, which I'll show you how to do later. The second way of finding winning products is one I'm sure most of y'all have already heard of because I've talked about it in the past alongside virtually every other e-commerce YouTuber. It's the hashtag TikTok made me buy it method. The method is pretty self-explanatory. You go to TikTok and search the hashtag TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds or trending products, filter to the videos with the most likes in the last month, and scroll through those videos until you find a product that follows the criteria I talked about earlier. Now, yes, what you've heard is right. This method is a little less effective nowadays due to TikTok releasing their TikTok shop feature where you can buy dropship products directly from the platform. But if you actually pick a high quality product that stands out and build a nice website, which I'll teach you how to do with AI later in this video, you can easily outsell those TikTok shop noobs. Oh, and another thing I want to mention is when you're looking for products on social media, make sure you read the comments. Comments provide a great insight from potential customers to let you know if it's a scam, bad quality, uninteresting, or if it's an absolute banger product that everyone wants to buy. The third way to find winning products is by using my completely free AI Shopify store builder. How it works is you answer some questions about the type of store you want to create, then my AI will build you that store within a few minutes. You can start drop shipping today. It's already made this dude $50K in a day, this guy's made $32K in a day, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it right now. The first thing you're going to do is click the top link in my description, which will bring you to the Shopify store builder. Once you're here, you can see it says it'll build you a free Shopify store in a few minutes, and over 40,000 people have already done this to create their own successful online business. So let's create yours now by pressing build my free store. Then once it loads, you'll have to enter your legal name alongside an email and password. So enter your personal email here for now, then come up with a difficult password that you don't use for anything else. You don't want to start making 10K per month and lose it all because your password is linked to other sites. Make it long and hard.
That's what she said.
Then after pressing next, you'll have to answer a few questions. First is what niche of product you want to sell. You can select any of these or click I'm not sure yet if you haven't decided. I'm just going to press electronics because they typically have good margins, then I'll click done. Next, it's going to ask you to pick images for your home page related to your niche. You can pick 2 of these, but if you don't particularly like them, don't worry. You can always manually add whatever you want to your store once it's been created, or if you decide to switch niches down the line, you can always restart this few-minute process as many times as your heart desires. Then after selecting the photos, press done again, and now it's time to create your Shopify account by clicking Access Shopify. As you can see, it's free for the first 3 days, and the next 30 days only costs $1. So enter your email here, press start free trial, verify you're a human because I guess the AI doesn't want AI signing up for itself. Then we can speed through these questions. Choose I'm just starting out, an online store. In this case, we'll select drop shipping, but if you're like me who sells digital products, select that, press next, select your country, I'm from America, then sign up with the email and password you created earlier, and bam, now you have a Shopify account. Let's head back over to the AI, press done, go back to Shopify to copy your store link, then paste it in here and press done again. Next, you have to select your Shopify plan. As I stated before, the first 3 days are free, then the first month is $1 regardless of what plan you select. But as a beginner, you only need the basic membership plan, which is $29 a month after that trial period. So press Access Shopify, enter your info, and press subscribe. And speaking of subscribing, I'm giving you all this information and access to my AI store builder for free. So as a thank you, please hit that subscribe button below. I'm super close to 250k subscribers and I want to hit it before 2025. And now that you've subbed to me and Shopify, they're going to ask for your business address, which you can skip by pressing add later. Then go back to my AI, click done, press install app, then install again so the AI can create your store. Then to actually import the products to your store, you need to use my favorite dropshipping supplier, AutoDS. AutoDS is the only app you need to start dropshipping because they handle all your product imports, product research, order fulfillment, and right now you get a free 30-day trial by following these 7 steps. Once you've registered for your free trial, select Shopify, press I have a Shopify store, install the AutoDS app. Then once it loads, your pre-built Shopify store with winning products will be ready. To look at your store, press online store on the left side, then click the little eyeball or the big view your store button. As you can see, the AI has generated a home page for you that begins with some captivating copy to introduce what you sell. This perfectly segues into a clear display of your products, followed by customer reviews strategically placed to build trust and increase sales, which is why it has also created a header for you saying free shipping with a countdown timer, which increases urgency so people buy now. In addition, the site includes a well-structured product page with trust badges, a contact us page to give customers confidence in reaching out, a track your order page for real-time delivery updates, and essential legal pages. All this would typically take a beginner an entire day of stress to create, but by using my AI, you've got it done in a few minutes. And although the store is technically ready to sell products now, make sure you look over everything first and fix potential errors like shipping times, product prices, etc. Then it's time to add your own touch to the store. I personally use tons of advanced techniques to increase sales on my own stores, but as a beginner, here are the 5 best things you should do. 1. Come up with a unique store name and purchase a domain for it. For example, if you came up with Digital Depot for your electronics store, you'd go to GoDaddy.com, buy the digitaldepot.com domain, then connect it to your Shopify backend here. This looks way more professional than having to adopt my Shopify store domain, and it only costs 13 bucks. 2. Create a logo for your new business name. You can do this for free by using an AI to create it for you or by using Canva's 30-day trial. But if you're willing to spend 20 to 50 bucks, hire someone on Fiverr to do it for you. 3. Create the new email for your Shopify store that I talked about earlier. Format it like contact, the name of your store at gmail.com, then use that as your customer service email. 4. Add GIFs. GIFs are way better than pictures because they show the product in action. And to create your own GIF, all you have to do is download a video of your product from the internet or someone's TikTok, go to Adobe Free GIF Maker, convert the video into a GIF, and insert it in the Shopify like that. 5. Create discounts. To add a discount, just click on the product you want, type in the price you want to sell it for, then type double that price in the compare it price box so it looks like it's 50% off. Customers love buying items when they feel as if they're getting a great deal, so you need to make them feel that all year round. If it's February, have a Valentine's sale. If it's June, have a summer sale. If it's a random Wednesday, have a
Willy Wankin' Wednesday sale.
No one cares what it's called as long as it saves them money and more importantly makes you money. But you can't make any money if people don't find your website. So I'll pass the mic to 19-year-old Logan right now to teach you how to advertise your store with $0. The best way to get traffic on your website for free is by utilizing organic content on social media. And unless you're a complete beginner to dropshipping, I'm sure y'all already know about the strategy of buying the product and making your own TikToks for it. But today I'll take that a step further and show y'all 2 methods that don't require buying the product, so it's completely free. And before I do that, I'll give y'all the rundown of making your own content with the product. First, you need to buy the product from Amazon so you get it in 2 days instead of 2 months. Second, you need to create a brand account on all short form content platforms including TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Spotlight. And to optimize those accounts' conversion rates, make sure your profile picture is the same across platforms and your bio has a good hook to get viewers to your website, like 50% off spring sale ends tomorrow. Be quick. Third, create 2 to 3 TikToks per day that promote your product and repost those videos to other platforms, because if you're making interesting content that people want to watch while also showcasing how fun, cool, or helpful your product is, there's a high likelihood people would buy it. And if they do buy it, you can then use that money to make your store better, run paid ads, or anything you think will increase sales. And for y'all who are too broke or scared to do that technique, these next 2 methods are completely free and will work just as well. First is promoting your product through affiliate marketing, aka you contact influencers to promote promote your product, and they get a percentage of every sale they get you. Like for example, I'm selling my lamp for $30, I make $15 per lamp, so maybe I'd give an influencer like $5, which is like 16% for every lamp they sell. It's a great concept because we don't have to do any more work than we're already doing, and the influencer is more motivated to make better promos because the more products they sell, the more money they make. The best way to get influencers to do this is by finding influencers that are in your product's niche. Like if you're selling a gym belt, get a list of like 50 gym creators, then send them all a well-written email or direct message about your product and how it will help their audience and make them money at the same time. It's a very simple concept that most influencers have already done for other brands, so if your offer is intriguing, they'll most likely promote your product. The second free way of promotion is a little harder but can be more profitable than the previous two ways. It's re-edited content. This is where you do the exact same thing as the organic content method, but instead of filming your own content, you download videos of other people using your product and edit their clips into your brand's own organic style ad. I've done this for a few profitable dropshipping stores, but as soon as they started doing well, I made sure to film my own content, so I was in full creative control and to prevent being sued. Thanks, Logan. Y'all can click right here if you want to watch me take a new e-commerce store from $0 to $1,000 in 1 week. Just tap the video like that, subscribe below, and God bless.